Can you see the steam coming off of it? It smells so good. What's up guys, it's Kat, welcome back. This is our first video in my kitchen with all my Christmas decor instead of my fall decor. If you didn't see my decorate my condo with me for Christmas part 1, because I do have a part 2 coming, I'll have it linked in the description. Just to be totally transparent with y'all, this place is 1 level and it's 944 square feet. So I totally understand that that is by no means a small condo. I'm so thankful to live here, but there are a lot of smaller features. You know, the bathroom is pretty small, the kitchen doesn't have a ton of storage. So these different tips and hacks that I'm going to share with y'all are things that I have done to help it feel bigger and to help me maximize the space that I have and really get the most out of it. So, you know, whatever the size of your place is, these tips and tricks and hacks can help you out. And to start off, we're going to go to my bathroom actually.
Action!
Hey guys, so this next hack has to do with your shower. Now, I can't take complete credit for it because this was here when I moved in. Get a shower curtain that is curved. You can see that this one comes out a little bit instead of just straight across. I honestly don't notice a huge difference when I'm in my bathroom and the shower is closed, but when you're in the actual shower, it makes it feel so much more open. And I'm not sure how well you can tell, but this seriously, it makes it feel like I have so much more room. Like it's just so much more roomy. Hey, so we're back in the kitchen because this next small feature of my home has to do with my drawers. So when I first bought the place, if you didn't know, my boyfriend helped me to completely redo the kitchen. This is what it looked like before. This is what it looks like after. As you can see, one of the things we did is get all new cabinets. This corner right here is the only drawers that I have that's fake. And these are both 12 inches. So in the original kitchen, this one right here was 15 inches. But because these cabinet doors come off of the actual cabinet itself, I would not be able to open the drawer if it was 15 inches because it would hit this one. So we had to go for a 12 inch. Now the very tricky thing about that is for organizing silverware, I don't know why it was so difficult to find, and maybe now they have them, but last year when I was looking to find a silverware organizer for a 12-inch drawer, they were like $100. Like they were so darn expensive to get one because it's not standard. You know, all of them for like 12, 15 bucks were 16 inches or 15, and that wouldn't fit. So first I took a drawer liner just to protect it and so that the silverware doesn't get dirty, and I put that in there. And then I found these drawer dividers off of Amazon. I'll have them linked down below, but you can adjust the width and everything, and they have this padding so that they can easily stay in and not destroy your wood or whatever they're touching. And then you can lock it in place so that it will stay. I need to clean some spoons because I only have 2 right now. And voila. And then in this one, you can see I used one as well. It separates all my knives and cooking scissors from all my straws and things like that. So next up is to use furniture pieces that are both stylish and practical. Tim actually found this wine chest off of Letgo, and when he first showed me pictures of it, I kind of thought it was ugly, I'll be honest. And now it is one of my favorite parts of my entire condo. But let's go to the bottom of it. Like I said before, my kitchen does not have a ton of storage. So, you know, I was really cramming a bunch of plates and glasses and cups and wine glasses and mugs and all that into the cabinets when there wasn't a ton of room. So when Tim did get this, it helped so much because it gave me so much more storage. So you can see, obviously here I have some wine glasses. It gives me room to store wine bottles. And then in here you can see I have a ton more, some more special pieces that I don't want to have out in my kitchen where they could get broken or just take up space when I'm not going to be using them in this season. So make sure you're buying things that look nice but are also practical, and try and buy them secondhand because you'll get them for way less money. So this next one is a big one, but it took me a little while to figure out how helpful it can be, and that is to store things where you use them, not where you think that they should go. For example, all my hair tools that I have right here, for the longest time I kept them in either my bathroom or my bedroom with all my makeup because I was like, hair, makeup, that goes together. But I always do my makeup in front of this big mirror, so I would be going back and forth, and then I would leave all my stuff out here on the ground because, you know, I didn't want to clean up when I was running out to work or whatever I was doing. Tim's mom actually gave me this basket for something else, and I remember thinking like, I wonder where I can put this. And then I decided, you know what, I should really be storing my hair products eye my mirror because that's the only place I ever do my hair. And you can see that this doesn't look bad. Like, it's super cute. It matches with my decor, and it's also super easy to pick up and put in the other room if I don't want anything there. But it's practical because this is where I do my hair, so it keeps everything clean because I don't leave stuff in places where they're not supposed to be. I had that blanket up there to try and stop the sun from going on me when I was in the kitchen. It didn't work very well, clearly. But we're now going to go into a place that I don't take y'all very much. I don't think I've ever actually taken you. It's my coat closet, and then my little storage closet. This will eventually be a laundry room, but right now it's not, and still needs some organizing. But my next tip has to do with this basket and shelf right here. Always have a donate bin somewhere in your home. So, and this is the same goes for a bigger home, but especially when you have a smaller place, so that whenever you have something that you're like, I don't know if I really want to keep this, I think I'm gonna give it away, you just put it in the bin. And that way when it starts to fill up, you can go take a look, see if you still want to donate everything in it, and if you do, take it to your local donation center and you're good to go. And then you put the basket back and you can start refilling it up. And this is great because it's going to keep clutter out of your home, because when you see something that you don't know if you want, instead of stuffing it in a drawer, you put it into your donation bin and then you'll end up giving it away. If you watch until this part, comment down below, saving space. No matter how big or small your home is, these tips are gonna help you save space and maximize your storage, so comment that down below. Also, if you watch until this part, you should totally subscribe and see more videos from me. Also, let me know in the comments any video requests that you have, any more types of videos you want. And I love you all so, so much. If you want any more home organization type videos, I have a whole playlist above me. You can click that, and I love you all so, so much, and I will see you in my next video.